This is my video clip regarding the extrajudicial killing issues under the War on Drugs program of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Today, I will talk about the issue of extrajudicial killings during the War on Drugs under former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Extrajudicial killings refers to death that occurs without legal process or court decision. During the anti-drug campaign, many suspects were reported killed in the police operation or by unknown individual, which raised serious concern among human rights groups. Supporters of the campaign argue that it helped reduce crime and improve public safety. However, critics question the methods used and emphasize the importance of protecting human rights and following due process. Organizations like Human Rights Watch and Amnesty International called for investigation to ensure accountability and justice for those affected. Thank you, sir.